What's going on, family? Good morning. Today we're gonna work on this tractor implement attachment, and if you look at it, you can see that this thing is crooked, and it's going. Basically, you see it, it's crooked. So I'm gonna cut it. So everybody say heat it up, but I'm gonna cut it and get it back straight. I'll bring you guys in when I'm all done. I got it all patched up, as you can see, nice and straight on there. It's not twisted anymore. You can see it left the twist alone. So now I'm gonna fill it in, weld it real good, and then I'll reinforce it and it'll be ready to go back to work. Show you all later in a little bit.